Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have got a Ferrari Purosangue, and this is in for the UK's first Novitec exhaust. Obviously there is a few options you can go for. You can do the kind of stage 2 catback exhaust or the full exhaust. In this case we have gone for the full exhaust, and it does sound unbelievable. Very similar to the 812. I believe the 12 cylinder will probably be a similar sort of sound as well with that similar platform. But yeah, let's show you a bit more about it. So to go into a bit more detail on the exhaust, so like I said, it's a full exhaust, so that means we've got sport catalysts, which are 100 cell, removing the original cat and the OPF. Then you've got the X pipe in the middle, which helps the tone, and then finally you've got the rear silencers. So the rear silencers on this are the sport variant. They do have a race variant as well, which gives more torque at low revs, and obviously a bit more power, and actually is louder as well. Almost sounds like an Largo 812. But this is the sport variant, which is a more refined sound. And then lastly, you've got the black tips, which are here, kind of very similar to the original tip, just slightly wider, a bit fatter, Novitec logo there, and a bit of branding underneath, which is nice. And actually this whole unit is a new piece, and this is in titanium for heat protection. And then like usual, guys, you've got the remote fob. In this case, you've just got the one button with the Novitec, which is on and off. Basically just allows you to open up the valves at low revs. So obviously you have full sound from 0 revs all the way up. And obviously close it for around town. Right guys, let's have a listen to it. It's a really nice spec as well. This blue with the tan interior. So obviously that's valves closed, so a bit quieter. Obviously when it's trying to heat up, it'll be a bit louder when the valves are open, but that is closed, like I said. Valves open, you can hear a deeper sound. Unbelievable, to be honest. So there we have it, guys. A full exhaust on a Purosangue. Like I said, first one in the UK. Hopefully we're gonna do a lot more of them. We sold a few overseas as well. The question is, if you do have a Purosangue, would you do this to your car? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you want more of this sort of content. Obviously, we are doing all the Novitec cars in the UK and Caprista and a lot of Brabus as well. So if you like to see these sort of cars being tuned, we're the guys to watch.